Okay, let's start solving word problem using equations. Question number 1. What number minus 431 what number x minus 431 gives 781? Okay, we'll find out that number. X is equal 789 plus 431. All right, let's see. 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 in mind. 8 plus 3 is 11, and 1 will be 12. Again, 1 in mind. 7 plus 4 is 11, and 1 will be 12. Okay. Next one. A number divided by 8, is 264. What is the number? Okay, 264. So we have fraction, right? So practically we are going to bring two common denominators. So what is going to be common denominator? 8, which means 8 here, 8 here, right? So once we have 8 and 8, I'm dropping this, and my x is equal 264 times 8. Well, let's multiply. 8 times 4 is 32, 3 in mind. 8 times 6, 48, and 3, 51, 5 in mind. 8 times 2 is 16, and 5, 21. So the number is 2112. Okay. Next one, let me clean this drafting. 12 greater than the number, so which means the number is x. 12 greater than number is 206. Okay, so x is equal, moving 12 on this side, it's going to be 206 minus 12. Let's see. 6 minus 2 is 4. So borrowing here, 10 minus 1 is 9, and here will be left only 194. Okay, moving to question number 4. A number is doubled and then increased by 3. So first number is doubled, so number is x. When it's doubled, 2x, and increased by 3. And the result is 83. What is the original number? Meaning, what is the x? 2x is equal 83 minus 3. So 2x is equal 80. And we divide by 2. And x is equal 40. This is gone. 80 divided by 2 is 40. All right, next one. When 11, okay, hold on. He's typing. Oops. Is reduced by 1/3, so 11 is reduced by 1/3 of a number, or x over 3, or 1/3 of x. Result is 10. So find the number, find the x. Okay, fractional equation, which means common denominator is free. Here is free, here is free. Here is free, here is free. Look here, free, free, free. We drop it. We get 30 free, 3 times 11 minus x equals 30. So since x is here negative, it's easier move x on this side and 30 move on this side. And we are getting 33 minus 30 equal x. So 3 is equal x. Moving to next question. Actually, let me numerize. This is question 5. This is question 4. Three, 2, oh, this one is 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 5. Okay. We straightened up. Moving to 6. Okay. 5 less than 4 times a number. So number is x, 4 times and less 5 is the same as meaning equal sign, 9 times the number. There we go. Find the number for what it's going to be. So I'm moving, let me see, 4x on this side, negative 5 is equal 9x minus 4x. Negative 5 is equal 5x. So I am dividing by 5, dividing by 5. This is gone. This is also gone, and the result is negative 1. Negative 1 is equal x. Okay, next one. A number, 1/5 of that number, so see that's a comma separate, a number x, 1/5 of that number, x over 5, and I don't know what operation, so right now writing down the terms. So, and 1/6 of the number, meaning x over 6, are added. Okay. Find a number, 1/5 of that number and 1/6 of that number. Add it. The result is, here I missed here. Let me add. Where from, what is equal to? Result is equal 41. Okay, now we need to find these numbers. Alright, so first of all we have to bring to common denominator. Common denominator 5 and 6 is going to be 30, which means this one 30, this one 6, this one 5, and here is 30. So what do we get? 30, 30, 30, 30. Okay, so we get 30x plus 6x plus 5x and equal 41 times 30. So let me see, it's going to be 123 and 0, 1230. Okay, let's add 30 plus 6, 30x plus 6x, 36x, and plus 5x, it's going to be 41x equal 1230. Okay, dividing by 41. What do we get? This is 1, this is 3. So the answer is going to be 30 because I didn't touch that 0, right? 1230. X is equal 30. Okay. So that was question number 7. Moving to question number 8. A woman went to a departmental store one day sale. She bought 3 blouses for 46 each. Okay? 3 blouses for $46 each. 3 times 46. And pair of shoes for $49. Okay? She also wanted to buy some jewelry. Each item of jewelry was bargain priced at $10.50. How many, if she brought $250, how many pieces of jewelry? So we don't know how many pieces of jewelry. That means it's going to be, since $10.50 each, it's going to be $10.5x, right? And all together, if I add, I'm going to get 250 because she brought 250, so she spent, looks like, all 250 because it's asking how many she could buy. All right, so all we have to do now, solve this for x. So let's multiply. 3 times 6 is 18, 1 in mind. 3 times 4 is 12, and 1 will be 13. Yes, 138. Plus 49 plus 10.5x equal 250. Okay, so let's add 138 and 49. So 8 plus 9 is 17, 1 in mind. 3 plus 4 is 7, and 1 is 8. And here is 187 plus 10.5x is equal to 250. Okay, 10.5x is equal to 250 minus 187. 10.5x is equal. So 10 minus 7, it's going to be 3. Here we have left 4. So I'm borrowing 14 minus 8 is going to be 6. Here is left 1 minus 1 is 63. Okay, so x is equal 63. Okay, let's go this way. Dividing by 10.5, dividing by 10.5. Okay. How much it's gonna get? So 10.5 cancel with 10.5. And x is equal, so since I cannot have divide by decimal notation, I am moving by 1 position to the right to get whole number, 105. Accordingly, here is point 63, decimal is here. Adding 1 more point, it's going to be 630. And x is equal 6. 630 divided by 105 is going to be equal 6. Okay. Next question. Track star ran the 100-meter event in 6 track meets. Six meets. Her average time for all 6 meets is 11.8. That's an average one. So she could not find a record for her running time in the last meet, but she had of other ones. So average is 11.8, and we have all of them but one, right? So we're gonna do average 11.1 plus 11.4 plus 11 plus 12.1 plus 11.5. Okay, let me move further because we need more space. Okay, and the last one we can't find it, so it's X, right? Because she could not find the record for her running time in the last meet, so could not find it. We put it X, and we divide average is sum of all meets divided by amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, right? Oh, here it says 6 tracks. There we go. So now all we have to do, what's her running time for the last meet? Solve for X. So since it's a fractional equation, to get rid of this fraction, common denominator is 6 divided by 6 times 6. Okay, and we drop this 6. So let me add here, let's do drafting. 11.1 plus 11.4 plus 11 plus 12.1 plus 11.5. Okay, let's go. 1 plus 4 is 5, 6, and plus 5, 11. So 1 in mind. Okay, we are moving above the to decimal notation here. Point. Next, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 1 will be 7. Okay, we don't have anything numbered in mind. 1 plus 1, oops. What did I just do? Okay. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so we get 57.1 plus X is equal. So 11.8 times 6. Let's multiply. 6 times 8 is 48. For decimal notation comes here. 4 in mind. 6 times 1 is 6, and 4 will be 10. 1 in mind. 6 times 1 is 6, and 1 will be 70.8. Okay, so X is going to be equal 70.8 minus 57.1. Okay, so 8 minus 1, it's going to be 7, decimal notation. 10 minus 7, it's going to be 3. Here we have left 6, right? 6 minus 5 is 13. 13.7 seconds, that will be the last meet that she could not find the record. All right, that was question number 9. Did I put here 8? Yeah. So moving to question number 10, and that will be my last question. Okay, so what do we have here? A, B, and C questions that we need to answer. Let's solve it. In warmer climates, approximate temperature prediction can be made by counting the number of chips over a cricket. Of cricket, I'm thinking, what is it? counting number of hold on. Of a cricket during a minute. The Fahrenheit temperature decreased by 35 Fahrenheit F decreased by 35 decreased meaning subtract is equivalent to 1/3 meaning x over 3 of the number of cricket chips. Okay, write the equation of the relationship. There we go, we have it already. This is 8. So one more time, the Fahrenheit temperature, here is F, decreased by 35, okay, is equivalent, equal sign, 1/3 of number x over 3. That's A. Okay, moving to B. Approximately how many chips per minute should be recorded if the temperature is 100 degree Fahrenheit? 100 degree Fahrenheit. What do we have to do? First, we need to find plug 100 for F, right? So it's going to be 100 minus 35 is equal x over 3. Let me place this 100 as this color, orange color. Okay, 100 minus 35, it's going to be 65, yes? 65 is equal x over 3. Okay, so what do we do? Since we have here division, usually we divide because there is a multiplication like 3x, meaning 3 times x. When we have 3x, let's say, that means 3 times x, right? Then we do opposite operation, we divide. But now we have division, that means we need to multiply, okay? So we multiply by 3, and here also we multiply by 3. And what do we get? This is gone, and x is equal 3 times 65. Let's multiply. 3 times 5 is 15, one in mind. 3 times 6 is 18, and 195 is equal x. So if the temperature is 100 degrees Fahrenheit, then 195 chips per minute should be recorded. Okay? Next one, moving to C. If a person recorded 96 cricket chips in a minute, what would be the Fahrenheit temperature? So x is equal 96 now. Okay, so here we had Fahrenheit. Let me see. Here we had Fahrenheit. We had Fahrenheit was equal 100 degrees. So we plug this Fahrenheit here. Now, it's given x. X is equal 96. And we have to find F. So F minus 35 is equal 96 over 3. Okay, let me see if we can divide 96 by 3. That would be nice because we will get rid of fraction. Well, let's see. 9 divided by 3 is 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, 1 and 32. So we are getting F minus 35 is equal 32. So from here, F is equal 32 plus 35. So f is equal 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6. 67. And I am done. Thank you for watching, and I will post next video.